If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use film camera with a bit of vintage charm, the Kodak Ektar H35N might just be what you need. This is an upgrade to the popular H35. It's keeping its half-frame format, which means you get 72 shots per roll instead of 36, which is great for saving film. It's super simple to use. Just load your 35mm film, wind it up, and shoot. No settings to worry about, just point and click. The H35N has a new coated acrylic lens for sharper images, plus an improved flash for better lower light shots. The result? Classic film grain, nice colors, and a bit of that dreamy softness. It's not super sharp, but that's part of its charm. For around $50 to $80, depending where you are, it's a perfect choice for beginners or somebody who just loves film, who doesn't want to break the bank. So is the Kodak Ektar H35N worth it? Absolutely. If you want an easy and fun way to shoot film, just don't expect pro level sharpness. Let me know in the comments if the H35N is the right camera for you, and if you learned anything new from today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe, as I'll be releasing some new videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.